We have some in front of us. And also have some above us. What a beautiful view. Absolutely amazing.
A little bit of lift right there. I'm going to circle in it.
All right.
Get a 360 view of the country.
Look at that. Huh.
That was cool, wasn't it?
It was. This is really cool.
This guy's over here finding some lift in his circle too.
So here we are, we've made it. We're flying. It sure was. It took some convincing and some serious thought to take that step forward, but I tell you, it sure was worth it. And if you're struggling and pondering whether or not to take that next step forward, I hope that this encourages you to do so. I know it's a struggle, and I know it's unknown for the future, but it takes that next step forward and the positive gesture to make it happen. And should you do so, that's the way we can move forward and have this adventure continue. And together, we will make it. So I'll see you on the ground. Happy flying.